weather message. For the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, Putnam, and Williams. Winter storm watch in effect from late Friday night through Sunday afternoon. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 12 inches possible. Where? Portions of northern Indiana, southwest Michigan, and northwest Ohio. When? From late Friday night through Sunday afternoon. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation.